Aubrey, ang lambot-lambot talaga ng braso mo, para ka talagang unan eh. Aubrey, unan ka ba? Kasi amoy laway ka eh.
Kung hindi mo din
Ha? Nakakalimutan mo ba na meron ka pamilyang inuwian dito?
Sino ka?
Ako! Ako yung bago niyong kasambahay! Ma'am, nandito na po si Sir.
up, down, go up, down, go up, down, go up, down, go up, go down, go up, go down, go. Keep your step, we go up, go down. Left leg in the air.
Lights.